Jai Hind friends. Now we are discussing the third case. See, in first case we have seen the concentration of electrons in conduction band. In second case we have seen the concentration of holes in valence band. Now in third case, as you know, it is intrinsic semiconductor. The charge carriers will be electrons as well as holes. So we have to consider both electrons and holes. So let's derive that third, and in that we are going to study mass action law. So this is case 3 friends. Now in intrinsic semiconductor, you know that number of holes are same as number of electrons. Right? So according to mass action law, N into P will be Ni square. So the statement is the product of hole and electron concentration is equal to square of intrinsic semiconductor. So you have to remember the statement. Now in the previous two cases we have derived equation 15, that was the number of electrons, and 27 was the number of holes, P, and C effective density of states of conduction band, and NV is effective density of states for valence band. So we have to use all these four equations for case 3. So now friends, we are keeping the values of equation 15 and 17 in mass action law, that is Np is equal to Ni square. So Ni square becomes N. What is the value of N? N is Nc e raised to Ef minus Ec by Kt. And what is P? P is Nv e raised to Ev minus Ef by Kt. So we are combining this. Here this Ef will get cancelled, and Ni square becomes Nc Nv e raised to Ev minus Ec by Kt. So Ni square is equal to 4 2 pi kt upon s square raised to 3 by 2. How we are getting this? We are getting this from these two equations, Nc and Nv. We are keeping the values of Nc and Nv in Ni square. So here M star raised to 3 by 2 Ev minus Ec by Kt. So if you take the square root, it's okay. Otherwise you can omit this equation. It is not that much important. So we know that the energy band gap is nothing but Ec minus Ev. So Eg is equal to Ec minus Ev. We are going to keep the value of pi, that is 3.14, K Boltzmann constant 1.38 10 to minus 23, Planck's constant 6.625 10 to minus 34 joule second in above equation. So we are going to get it Ni square is equal to 2.322 10 to 43 M star raised to 3 by 2 T cube e raised to minus Eg by Kt. Now if we say that this portion is capital A, to reduce this equation we are using the constant. So Ni square is A t cube e raised to minus Eg by Kt. So further if we take the square root of this Ni square, it becomes Ni is equal to A raised to 1/2 T raised to 3 by 2. Now here it will be minus Eg upon 2 Kt. This is because square root, we are taking square root, we have to put it here 2 also. So this Ni is A0 T raised to 3 by 2 e raised to minus Eg by 2 Kt. So friends, we have replaced this A raised to 1/2 by A0. What is A0? That is the square root of A, and that its value will be 4.819 10 raised to 21 into Me star Ms star raised to 3 by 4. Thank you friends.